Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Gala. Had to make an update. It's been bullish. Like right now, Gala really is the wonder child of the crypto markets, because even though Bitcoin is finding quite a lot of bearish pressure on its own, Gala is still bullish. Gala, as we also talked about. I mean, right now you can just see this trend line, and obviously trend lines are not always respected. But in this case, you can really see that together with the EMAs, it's pushing the price of Gala up. We got a little bit of a fake out above 2.7. Like Gala doesn't really seem to be respecting the resistance levels that much. But overall, it just looks very bullish, right? And if you look at the open interest right here, what you'll see over the last week is that it has gone up with ups and downs. All right, so there have been some quite big position closes, but overall it's quite high. It's as high as it was the 20th, which is also kind of where the price is at right now. But in general, technically, fundamentally, it looks bullish, and this is kind of what Gala deserves. I mean, a lot of these gaming tokens right now are doing well. Gala has obviously had its problems. I don't need to tell any of you that. But yeah, I mean, it's doing good. I must say that I think in the end, it does seem to me that there is a bit of manipulation going on. That's also visible here, right? So you see these big spikes, so that's a lot of money in positions being opened, and then these big drops down. So this can only be like one party or a very big resistance being hit. But the 25th, it did hit a big resistance, but it's not that resistance wasn't hit before. It's not that resistance was so strong. So yeah, the thing is like there's some whales playing with this, maybe some market makers, maybe DWF Labs. It's a possibility. You can also see that's also confirmed by the ton of volume from Bika, SuperX, 2bit, BitThump. So therefore, I do want to tell you, be careful, because right now Gala is bullish, and I see no reason why it shouldn't continue to be bullish. So that's also what I expect. I expect Gala to continue up to 2.75, 2.8, 2.85, 2.9. 2.9 cents is a strong resistance though. So from there, we'll have to see whether Gala is able to hold its support levels from there. If it's not able to do so, and I do expect this at some point of time, Gala is going to fall down hard. All right, so that's what I want to warn you for, is that even though technically right now, and you can clearly see that on the chart. I mean, if you zoom out, there's nothing bearish about this. There really isn't anything. And there's no reason to assume that right now, while Gala hasn't found any significant resistance, that it would change right now. Maybe if Bitcoin falls down very hard, maybe then it would change. But that's not the current situation. So yeah, right now I expect more bullish momentum. All right, and if Gala gets up to 2.9 cents and it's able to hold support at 2.75 and 2.7 afterwards, it will also continue up to 3.15 and perhaps even higher. All right, so it's still very bullish. That's what I'm trying to tell you. But in the same breath, I'm also trying to tell you to be careful, because there is some manipulation going on. Not that much, all right, because it's also Gala also deserves this. The gaming tokens are doing well, has a strong community that's still buying. So it's not completely, but obviously those are ideal market circumstances for manipulation. If there are real people buying, then at some point of time, you're just going to sell everything and people will keep buying, and manipulators will be able to sell everything for a profit. So be careful. Still bullish for now. I'll keep you updated on that, but please be careful. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you're interested in my own premium or signal group, links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.